you have a very important relationship with China. If we're talking about the economy, Pakistan is the beneficiary of Chinese aid and investment. It's part of the Global Belt and Road Initiative. But the Chinese government has been fiercely criticized by especially Western countries for its reported treatment of Uyghur Muslims. Have you had a chance to formally discuss this issue with President Xi of China?
No, I haven't. And frankly, you know, we have been facing so many of our internal problems right now that, you know, I don't know much about this problem. And let's face it, I mean, ever since we've been in power for 1 year,
Stance on the issue?
Well, I again repeat.
Xi Jinping has created, Mr. Speaker, one of the worst human rights tragedies on the face of the earth. Xi Jinping and his government are directly responsible for these crimes against humanity. Our hope is that a reckoning is coming, but only if the international community stands up to China.